What's up, man? It's your boy Koyo 10, and we came to Strats, and they meet up here probably for races later on too and shit. But my boy Shanquell came out, 300 baby. I brought the 5.0, my boy Wooby, and then Kevon. So we all came out to the Strats. Is it meet? So, you know, we see cars and other shit. And then we might catch like some races and shit going. So hopefully everything goes good, and hopefully we could get some runs in tonight. Or at least if I don't, at least get some of my other homeboys that might show up. So we got a little R8, a little baby R8, you know.
I got Brembos and D.
Yeah, this motherfucking nice.
Hey, what these go for about 150,000?
Nah, like a good 120.
Not this one. This 2020.
Oh, this is a big 10. So like a good 200. 160, 160. My boy, my nigga right here, Kevon. He knows all about him because that's his dream car, bro.
That paint goes crazy.
I was like metallic.
That shit.
It's like a metallic.
Yeah, this paint alone probably like 20.
Nah, this is low key.
It look like the
Looking metal, like the Back to the Future.
Yeah, that shit. Yeah,
like that Back to the Future shit.
What's that shit?
The name of the car? I have no clue. The what?
The metal, bitch.
The stainless steel. Let's go over there. Let's see what the fuck we.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Little Hummer truck. Bro, this is a
Rolls-Royce.
Toyota finna get on your ass.
Dumbass, boy. All he got is rim.
And bags.
And he's thick shit, bro. He doing you dirty.
This is what Roy's getting on your ass though.
Oh, he wouldn't even want to do that to one of these. This bitch shit so sexy though.
Yeah.
He's anti-takeover.
This is what you call a luxury, bro.
Oh, hell yeah.
It's a luxury ride.
This the say no more. You ain't even gotta say no more. You hop out of here. You feel me?
You don't even gotta like hold my back, bro. Don't let them do it to you, Kevon.
Real bad over here.
Hello? Yeah. Walking around.
The wagon hatchback.
One shake, Oreo shake.
I ain't gonna lie, these bitches hard to get.
Strawberry banana. Alright,
There's a lineup back here. Just the regular lineup back here. I don't even know. I'm just saying.
Boy, this is regular traffic back here. Huh? Not mine. Yo, Mazda, yeah.
No. Boy, you remember that hatch? No, let's not start with that.
I never even came with the hatch, nigga. It was a G35.
Oh, yeah, that motherfucker's bogus too.
Hell no, that bitch G35.
Line it up, man. We finna set you up right now.
Hell no, he probably got shit done to this bitch, though.
He gonna do you so dirty. I ain't gonna lie.
And you, nigga, why you talking? Oh, yeah, I forgot, because I did you dirty, huh?
Actually, when I post the video, I missed the shit. So that's really all. Come on, missed the shit.
Well, it sounds like, oh God,
ain't nobody really never beat me head up.
Hey, it sounds like a you problem to me, buddy.
Yeah. I mean,
I ain't gonna lie. I gotta know who rap this car, because whoever rap dude's car gotta rap mine.
Hey, nah, this bitch is hard. I can see dude on the top.
Oh yeah.
I want to see what something is good though. He gotta have a blower with some tires, bro.
It might be this GS6 though.
He got a blower, bro. That's that bitch pro track.
Oh God, it is. Yeah, that's not even turbo.
Intercooler on top. Is this the ST? Oh, this the Toyota? The RAV4?
The sleeper, bro.
And he got the top, bro. Stop playing with him, bro. Stop.
He got slicks on. Stupid.
Oh, this the bass. I don't even know what's smoking me right now. Like, for real. Yeah, he got the cat, bro. Stop smelling.
This is a Toyota Venza.
This the best. Hey, this the best car over here. Hey, who car is this? Oh.
Hey, guess what?
This you right here, bro?
No.
I was gonna say this
Fuck
bitch.
no.
This the sleeper on, bro. He down there to do it to you.
This one. I ain't gonna lie, this F-150 right there would do it to you.
Damn.
Ooh, boy.
Nah, that bitch slow.
That lightning, boy.
Oh yeah. I'll get one of these on the road. These not supercharged though. These the old ones.
That's that lightning, bro.
Well, you don't know what you're looking at.
Intercool. For that intercool.
Hey, if Juanito would have came, that would have been right there. That would have been him. You look at that Charger. Let me get a run with him and you. Come on. Let him run with you, bro. I ain't gonna lie, there's nothing excited here, bro.
Bro, they got the RT in the corner, bro.
The only thing exciting
Look
here
at the
is
RT.
low-key, the Corvette.
He was the best car in the world.
Oh God, besides the Rolls-Royce.
Yeah, that Audi shit.
number one.
Hey, the Audi.
Them the niggas that got money in that car.
Ooh, you hear that bitch?
RS5.
Ooh, wow, that sounds so bad. That mug breathing. Sounds good. That's the sound of a real motherfucking car, man.
No, I mean this German engineering is different.
It's all stock, too.
That's the fuck it is. Fuck that stupid ass Ford.
Fuck that Dodge, huh?
Yeah, fuck that Dodge. What
Trade
you talking about?
Fuck that shit.
You talking crazy.
That thing's
Yeah.
200K.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. I ain't gonna get one of these for another 5-10 years, but you know it's cool though.
It is.
Tell him how that shit just sounded.
Get a loading on a phone. He can.
This bitch sounded like a surround sound on. Like first it went quiet. First you was under the covers watching the movie. Then you have to take the covers off and turn the TV up. That's how it sounded. You know what I'm saying? Like 22.
My man popped the hood.
We can do that. Oh yeah. Yeah, 850 horsepower, twin turbo, twin 96 millimeter turbos,
that's crazy.
V12.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I
Here, hold
find- if I
on.
find-
6,200 pounds, 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. It's squats. It's
I would say line it up, but this is a V12, man. I got a.
This is a $500,000 V12. Yeah.
Yeah, I've never seen it before. I wouldn't even race it.
It's a big, heavy car. People don't realize.
So if this your race car,
I got other cars too.
what's your real race
I've
car?
got a 2018 Lincoln Continental Black Label, fully tuned, 550 horsepower, all-wheel drive. Yeah. Then I got a 64 Buick lowrider. That's got some balls to it. Yeah. And now we're working on a 1987 Jaguar XJ with a 454 big block blown motor. That's what I do. I do different.
That's what I like.
Look at me.
I ain't never seen
I'm different, man. That's what we do.
Hey, nah, you definitely-
Gotta be different. You know?
I ain't never seen this kind of different. Like
Yeah,
this
this is
time, you
different.
just never even.
You
wanna
don't see no
race.
Rolls-Royce racing them.
Hell
Yeah, I was
nah,
about to say,
they
not racing.
They barely driving them.
I raced an AMG C63 on 83 here last season.
Damn.
I whooped his ass, but I ripped both front air struts. That was a $14,000 win. I had to get the air struts replaced. That's how much it squatted. It ripped the struts. Yeah, the front end was in the
Hey.
air. It was just.
I ain't gonna lie, imagine you trying to fix your suspension.
I'm hurt with my little suspension, boy. They talking about some $40,000 repairs. My shit like 35. You know what I'm saying? I'm barely making. Subscribe to my channel, please. I need it. You know, I need it.
Hey, you want to see the Jag?
Yeah, let me see the Jag, man. For real. And what year is this? Like
The 18.
18?
Yeah, I ordered it brand new.
Okay.
Let me get in my whip, sure.
You got the Jag for the race car. Imagine this being your race car.
Actually, my sister,
That's crazy.
Here you go.
so she just got me it's a recorder, so
You ever see a Jaguar with a blower sticking out of the hood?
Shit.
I didn't pick up the back.
Exhaust coming off the sides.
I've been
I ain't gonna lie, it don't even look like it'll do damage, but shit.
Don't know, it's a 10-second car. And it's a heavy steel English car.
That's a, what kind of big block?
454 big block. Blown. Yeah.
So you got Chevy.
Oh yeah.
They put you before.
Yeah, it's made to race. See the seats even.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah.
Is it state shift or is it
No, it's
sequential?
automatic. Automatic.
Sequential though?
Yeah, sequential. Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay.
Here, that's what the people don't realize. The racers say manual is the fastest.
Yeah, no, it
It's
ain't
not.
though.
My Continental, my 2020 Continental reacts faster than your mind. That right there tells you it's game over. You know what I'm saying? Use them paddle shifters, it's gone. It's done.
Yeah.
And people don't expect a Lincoln Continental to do no damage. But in 2017, 18, and 19, the Continental was labeled the sleeper of the year. Because a luxury car, about 3,600 pounds, all-wheel drive, 450 horsepower stock. Yeah, and I got it at 550 now, but we're gonna juice it up to about 650 here soon.
That's good though.
Yeah, we gotta be
Putting that work in.
I definitely appreciate you being different.
Oh, that's the whole point. Whole point. Too many people got the same Chargers, Challengers,
For real.
Camaros, Mustang, Subarus.
That's
It's all the same shit.
that's all I see. I do YouTube, so they'll be glad to see this on the
Yeah.
channel. They go, what the fuck?
Well, keep your eyes open because I bring everything out. I bring a little bit of everything.
You come to Strats a lot?
Yeah.
This
I
my
go to all
first
the
time
shows.
coming. I usually go to a lot of city meets. We from Waukegan.
Yeah.
We drive
Walk town.
We drive for the meets.
I'm from
man.
Humboldt Park, Chicago.
Let me ask you,
Yeah.
what is it gonna take to afford one of these?
I just do hookers and cocaine. My wife deals with the hookers, I deal with the cocaine.
I need to get in.
I ship UPS daily, same day shipping.
Oh shit.
Now I'm a celebrity jeweler and I own vape shops. Yeah, and a vape warehouse, yeah.
Oh yeah, I got some guys that don't vape.
But I came from nothing. I started out of my garage 12 years ago, about $2,000, and now we have a multi-billion-dollar
How much
platform.
did it cost you to build your
$2,000.
for
$2,000 out of my garage.
For what, the vaping one or
Vape shop.
How about
The jewelry I
store?
funded all myself. Once I was able to make so much capital off the vape shops and doing so well, I didn't have to go get no loans or nothing. So I used my own capital to start that. And what really got my foot in the door, my cousin is an NFL player, Eric Sauber. He just left the Broncos, went to the Dolphins, number 82.
Yeah.
He's my baby cousin from Hoffman Estates. So I had him put on a bunch of my jewelry and stuff, and post it out there, and that's what got the foot in the door.
Yeah.
Got the foot in the door.
Yeah, shit, it worked. Now you
It
here.
works.
Shit, I'm trying to get my.
You gotta
way
know
up.
people. You gotta know
That's all it's
people.
about, man. That's really all it's about.
It's all about who you know. It really is.